What up, guys? Big Jern. The song's for you, girl. I see your pretty hair flying in the air. Your beauty means a lot to me, I wish I could be there. It ain't fair, the stares that I give. Never known if returning them was something that you ever did. I never did tell you how I felt about you, still do. Beat around the bush, but I feel you. You just do what you do, just know what you do makes my heart cuckoo like voodoo. It's magic, you blew through my mind. Time after time, I'm trying to keep in line, but your looks got my eyes going blind. I don't even know his name, but if he playing games, call me and you can put this all behind.
Yeah, put it all behind you. I'll stand beside you. I won't intervene, but just let me remind you, I've been cooking dreams up for you and me. I just need the time to put me inside your scene. We be up on silver screens, girl, I'll sweep you off your feet, show you things you never seen, cook the food you wanna eat. I'll serve you in the bed after messing up the sheets. Girl, your ass is on a platter and it's all I've ever seen. Be planning these disasters without you there incomplete. Timidly, I be saying it's such a man isn't me. For real, I be talking on the real, I'm a thief. But your heart is something I couldn't steal, I repeat, I'm a thief. Your heart is something I cannot seize. The way my heart is beating, it's like I'm running from police. You make my mouth dry, girl, it's hard for me to speak. I wish that I could say it, but you'll never hear repeat. They say silence is golden, but I think I'm turning green. What I mean is I'm filled with envy, it seems. I'm crushing like it's high school. You're the cheerleader, captain of the team, and you're too cool for me, Yeah, Take Mills, Big Jern, side project.